yeah, Lindsay here, back with another video, and today I am bringing you this quick weave hairstyle. This is the half up, half down hairstyle that's been popping on the gram lately.
I don't know if it was.
It's been popping. This is my first time ever putting weave in my hair, and I like it. I like it.
Can you pull it?
No. Don't judge me because I don't have a wig head in this video, so I had to make the wig already on my head, so don't judge me at all, but it came out good. If you want to see how I got this quick weave half up, half down hairstyle, then just keep on watching. Wait, I forgot. It's a day one. This is day one of my Vlogmas series. I will not be vlogging all of Vlogmas, so hence the name, but I will be trying to put up content videos every day of December, so wish me luck, because you know, just wish me luck. But okay, back to the video. Okay, so I already have my hair braided in the back. It is a mess, but it doesn't matter. I will redo it, whatever. I do have my top knot situated and slayed, honey. Look at that. Look at that. Laid, slayed, my little bun. So yeah. Now let's just get started. Okay, so I'm just using these wig caps I got from my beauty supply store. I got the thick band large wig cap. You're gonna need some hair bonding glue. I have two brands. I have the Natty Super Wave hair bonding glue, and I have the Salon Pro. So just these two. I'm not a pro or anything, so I'm gonna be using just a clear hair wrap to put under the bands so glue won't get into my real hair. Hair that I'm using is from the beauty supply store. This is what it looks like. I have 18, 20, and 22-inch kinky straight, and the brand is Boutique Bundles. So yeah, this is the hair, and this costs $24.99. So you're gonna see. So it comes with 3 bundles and a closure. Alright, so first thing is first, like I said, I'm not a hairstylist. This is the first time I am ever putting anything in my hair like this. Like I do the regular braids, crochets, but this is new. So I've been watching a whole bunch of videos. I don't have a wig head to make the wig on, which I'm pretty upset about, but it's okay. You're just gonna do what you gotta do. I'm just gonna take this, put it on the back portion of my hair, so we won't mess it up. So you can see it stops right where my part is. I'm gonna take my 2 wig caps. There's 2 in here. 2 so the wig will be nice and sturdy, won't be like limpy. I'm gonna put this onto the back portion of my head. So I don't know. Okay, whatever. I just pulled it over my bun a little bit. I know where I'm stopping though, like I can feel everything, so it'll be okay. Now we're gonna take the hair. This is what the hair looks like outside of the packaging, so y'all can really see it. It has that nice kinky straight texture though. I'm gonna go ahead and take the 22-inch, which looks like this. The looks like this. Shedding is minimal right now. Like, it's shedding a little bit, but it's okay. I got the weft, pretty long of a weft, pretty long. Ooh, it's a little tangled, okay. It's not too bad. But it's really nice. Like, I'm gonna take the weft now and I'm gonna measure it from the back, and I'm just gonna lay it down with the glue. The back, I'm gonna apply it in a U shape. So start from the bottom, go up like this. I want it to be at least like right here. So this will be the weft for the back. Comb it out. I put glue on the weft. I should have had a wig head. My next, if this comes out nice, y'all, I'm gonna invest in a wig head. Like, I never thought to buy one because I don't be making wigs like that. I am a hair newbie, so now I see the girl needs a wig head because I'm over here using my own head, struggling and everything with it as well. I'm gonna take it. Up or anything. I'm gonna take it and just a weft. I have a weft, y'all. I have one secured. And just continue to add wefts, and then I'll be right back. Or I'll just stop talking and just do what I gotta do and record it and show y'all. Finished one bundle. I finished a 22-inch, and this is how long it is. This is how it looks in the back. Doing this is so hard. Like, this is my first time, so doing it on myself is pretty hard. I tried to do like the U shape. I think this side is a little bit higher than this side, but it's okay. I did cut the cap in the middle, so there's like a hole in the middle, which is okay because the cap was a little too big and I didn't want it to be bulky, but this is how it is. I have this much left, so I'm gonna go in with the 20-inch bundle and finish it off. But yeah, this is how it's looking. This is how it's laying. I do have bobby pins on the side to hold the cap in, but yeah. How it's looking. That's how your girl looking, and I still have my plastic cap underneath. But yeah, that's how we looking. So let me just continue on wefting this because your girl gotta go to work. So you know we need to do this. Got the hang of it. I'm just gonna show y'all what I do. One weft comes into 2 mini wefts like this. Put the weft like this. Comb it out. This is the 20-inch. I'm just going to measure it from one side like this to the other side, which is right here. I'm gonna take my glue. Good thing I didn't buy the big one because I was gonna buy the big one for $10, but I'm like, your girl needs a small one. My weft. Don't worry if it gets on your hand because it's kind of like Elmer's glue from school. You can just rub it off. I got this glue all on my legs and everything, and it came right off. So I'm gonna take my track. This is so good. Okay, I'm gonna start from this side. Okay, so I finished gluing the tracks onto the wig cap. Looks like this. So you can see, I just have to go in and fix some of them up a little bit, but other than that, this is how much space I have. I think I'm gonna add a couple more tracks to that of the wig. Let me see. Just gonna take that. So you can see, if this was on my head, all of the glue would have gotten on my head, but we don't want that. So this is a little wet still, but it's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I went ahead and applied the wig back on, so it looks like this. What you're gonna do, well, what I've seen people do in videos, you could sew this onto your hair, but I don't wanna do that because I wanna maintain my hair underneath. So I'm just gonna go in and bobby pin this hair all around to like the braids that I have underneath. So go ahead and do that. You want it to make sure it's secure because you want to go outside, the wind blow, and a little piece of the wig just comes up. Don't want that at all. So I'm literally just bobby pinning it as much as I can, making sure it's still a little hidden though. So Now I'm going to take my 18-inch, and this is what we're going to use for the ponytail. What I'm going to do is, let me get closer. We're going to take the hair, wrap it around our bun like this. We're going to pin it into the base of the bun. Get as close as you can to the bottom of your bun, but just gonna pin this down like that, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap the hair around. This is the final look. Quick weave. It took me a quick minute, but I am done. Look at it. The only thing that gave me an issue was this ponytail part. I don't know if my bun is too big, the hair is too thin, I don't know, but it's okay because right now it's blending pretty good. But yeah, this is the back. Overall, I'm pretty excited about it, and that's it. Let me know what you think down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my previous videos if you have not already. If you would like a tutorial on this look, let me know down below, or just give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, that's it. I gotta go. I gotta go to work now, so like, comment, subscribe again, and until next video,